Hi, here we have a question from surface area and volume, exercise 11.3, question number 3. The height of a cone is 15 centimeter. If its volume is 1570 centimeter cube, find the radius of the base. Now, we know that volume of cone, the formula is 1 by 3 pi r square h. So, we can keep 1 by 3 pi r square h equals to 1570. Now we apply the values of pi and height given. Now we can cancel 3 and 15. Now we can see that by doing cross multiplication, r square is equals to 150 upon 3.14 into 5. Now we just remove the decimal and place 100 here. Now what do we find here? 157, 2s are 314, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. This 5 got cancelled. R square equals to 100. So R equals to 10 centimeter.